Okay. Can you say your ABCs for Mama? What's first? What letter's first?
A.
A.
B.
B.
T.
C.
D.
D. You forgot E.
F.
F. G. What's next? H. I. J. K. L. M. N. It's after N. No, O. P. It's after P. Q. R. S.
Y.
What's after S? S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Yay! Z. Yay! Are you a smart boy? Say yes. You say yes? After you eat your cracker. What's your name? What's your name? Who is this? Daniel? Is your name Daniel?
Mama.
Hi, baby.
Mama.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Can you blow a kiss?
Mwah.
Oh, that's nice.
Mwah.
Yeah, that's nice. I love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say I love you.
Mama.
Say I love you.
Mama.
Can you say I love you?
Mama.
Yeah. Can you say I love you?
I do.
Yeah. I love you too, Bubba. Bye-bye.
Right. Right.